Hi there, friend. It's Betsy from the Lavender Butterflies. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. This month, we're talking all about energy and how you can use the doTERRA oils and some of the doTERRA supplements to keep yourself in healthy energy all day long. Let me tell you, when you don't have your energy, it just becomes work to do anything, and that's a really awful feeling. So I'm here to help you out with some natural tips and tricks to help get your energy back and get you moving again. So one of my favorite things is an essential oil combination, and it will just give you a quick energy boost. I like to use this either first thing in the morning or in the afternoon when I'm kind of dragging. And so I'll take just a few drops, about 2 drops of peppermint oil and about 2 drops of wild orange, and I put those on my feet. So I'll put 2 drops of each on each foot and rub that in. And I like to put socks over after. I just think it feels kind of cozy, but you don't have to. Just let it dry before you start walking around, and you're going to find you get just a nice little boost from that. So try it out. Let me know how it works out for you, and thanks for watching. Bye.